Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Markia FX. I'm going to show you guys how we're able to make $830 today just trading gold within a couple of minutes. So here's the actual trade which I did. As you can clearly see, I opened my trade at this area and I closed early at this particular area because I had something to do. But if I kept up my trade, I would have made more profits. Anyways, let me just show you guys what happened. So here's our gold chart. As you can clearly see, this is a 5 minutes time frame. I do my analysis in the 4-hour time frame, but I do my entries in the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frame. As you can clearly see, gold is actually trading on a downtrend. This is actually a demand zone, if you know what I'm saying, and this is actually the resistance zone. So this is support zone, this is the resistance zone, even though we're trading in a downtrend. So I knew that because price has previously hit this zone and the boost pushed price to the upside, I was expecting price to hit this zone again and move to the upside. So when price came to this particular area again, this is the area of interest, this area. When price came to this area, we saw a bullish doji stick candle formation on the 5 minutes time frame, and the next candlestick that formed was actually another indecision candle. Price pushed its way into the demand zone, but it was pushed back as we saw a strong wick forming in this particular pair. So when I saw the strong wick forming, I knew that price was likely going to go bullish. So I waited for a very good area to enter my buy, and that's why if you look at the trade here, this is it. I had to, when price entered the zone, this was the second candle. When I saw that this candle was bullish, I had to enter my buys at this particular area, and I closed my position at this particular area. But if you go to my group, because I gave this signal, I gave a signal in my group, this is it here. I said gold is actually at a supply zone, but actually it was at a demand zone. I made a mistake because I was in a hurry, so I said I'm buying gold because it was actually in a demand zone, and I gave my entries. I said enter at this price, stop loss at this price, take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. So for those who bought gold with us, they made money because that was a free setup I gave in the group for everyone who took my trade in the group. When gold came to this area, we saw that the bulls push prices to the upside, but don't forget that we are actually on a downtrend. We are seeing how prices are forming higher lows, higher highs. So I wasn't expecting price to hit take profit 3, but at least price hit take profit 1 and take profit 2. For those who in our group, I did reiterate that price hit take profit 1 and also price hit take profit 2. So if you enter the trade in our group, you probably made some very good money. So that's how we're able to make $830 selling gold at this particular time frame. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and leave your thoughts in the comment section.